Guys, this is my outfit. This is my outfit. I know I look a little bit dressed. So I'm going for the first wedding that we're going to be attending in Canada, and they said we should dress casual with a touch of bougie, and I'm like, how do we interpret that? So this is how we are shall dress. This is how my dressing is going to be, and then Uncle Boo is going to show.
So what are you wearing?
After. So this is from Zara.
Okay.
This is from Forever 21. This is from Urban Behavior. The sneakers are from Nikes. So basically, yeah, that's my simple dress.
12. Really? Plus, you have a new hair.
Yes, guys, I have a new. No, I'm going to gist you guys all about it when we get to the car. I actually wanted to vlog yesterday, but I wasn't feeling in the mood. But I'll just give you all the guys all the gist.
Well, your hair looks beautiful, baby.
Yeah, thanks.
Amazing. And this is my outfit. It's very similar, but not the same to what my wife is wearing.
Very similar.
Yeah, this is just it. You know, does it look casual and bougie enough? I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm excited because
I think it does. I think we kind of hit the casual slash bougie. I mean,
part.
The bougie part maybe a little bit, but the casual, at least we know we are casual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna add this, for
cold.
Yeah, it's just gonna look awesome. It's perfect.
Yeah, it's actually, I was even literally like,
my
Uncle Boo, look at this.
Yeah.
It actually fits your trousers. So
I like this kind of vibe.
How do you like putting things on your shoulder?
If I don't want to wear it,
What is up? So what are you wearing?
Okay, what am I wearing? This is Zara. This is, I think, Forever 21, or I think Urban Behavior.
No, I think Popman. I think it's Popman.
Is it Popman? I can't remember where I got it from. But it was from the same mall. This is Jordan Air from Nigeria. And yeah, this is from Malam, one Aboki in Nigeria. Yeah, so... Legit. No, actually, no, it wasn't.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, it's also Sister Taiwo. Yeah, it's also from White Birds Collection.
That's the name of our brand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Let's start going. We are late for rehearsals.
Yeah, we are so late for rehearsals, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
My name is Faith.
My name is Michael.
And we are the Stalwart lovers.
My mom would say, "You're Stalwart lovers."
As she watches us a lot, I mean, mix us a lot as well.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, I'm sure you have seen our outfit check already. I mean, we're just feeling fly today, and we said, let's do an outfit check.
A little vanity for the gram.
I hope this sun is not getting us too exposed. Anyway.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, so I did my hair yesterday, and guys, one of the reasons why I didn't even feel like vlogging anymore was because my melancholy self kicked in. I literally just crawled into my shell because there were like a lot of people that I didn't know, and my husband wasn't there, so it was like unfamiliar grounds, and that just reminded me how I truly am, or how I used to be, like how
before you married.
Yes, literally, my husband, all my friends are my husband's friends, basically. Like, I would literally be with my husband in a conversation, and the first conversations or so that I have with people, that's when I have like my first conversation with them, and I just feel like, oh, I've talked to you, you're my friend as well. But if it was left to me, my personal self, Faith Fabi,
as per Sister Bay of the Most High,
I wouldn't even be talking to people like that. I would just be on my own. It usually takes me a longer time to warm up to people. So even before leaving the salon, I warmed up a little bit, but it was still a bit weird for me because I was just among a lot of people. I just was quiet. I just became quiet. I became mute, literally.
I can imagine actually.
So I mean, it was just a funny discovery to just feel like I've really not changed much. I've only been modified a little, like tweaked. I've adapted.
The truth of the matter
that's
is,
still me.
Let me just say that there's nothing wrong with being melancholy.
Sure.
You understand? People who are melancholy, it's not a disadvantage. It's not a negative personality. It's just that's who you are. It's the ability to now learn the balance and know that, okay, I can't always retract into my shell because I am light and light needs to shine. So how can people know the Lord? How can people get good values that I believe God has helped me to imbibe if I don't meet people and talk to people? Imagine if everybody is melancholy, who will preach the gospel to you? How would you have been saved? You know, and melancholies can preach the gospel, and that's where you push yourself outside your comfort zone.
Yeah.
And do what is meant to be done.
Yeah, I mean, it just reminded me of how much I have grown. I believe I have grown. Like,
yes,
going from someone that just doesn't really talk to someone that now talks.
Let me even blow your trumpet. Let me blow your trumpet a little bit. And you know, I mentioned the one time in our video that one day I'll talk about, you know, my wife's growth and all that. To be very honest, babe.
Yeah.
And honestly, this is not just for the camera. You know, this is how I feel about you.
Yes.
I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of how much you've grown. Because when we got married, I mean, you were mature, you know, you knew what you wanted in life and all those things. But you are very, very, you know, stubborn and rigid. Like, when you believe this is the way, you hardly want to take any other way. You know, and it took a lot of work and patience to get you to this level. But most importantly, it took you deciding that, okay, I want to, you know, evolve to improve my marriage. I want to be a better person to others.
Yeah.
And you know, to be honest, guys, see, Sister B is now so hospitable. We used to make this funny joke. There was a time in church in Nigeria that sorry, your hand's spinning you.
I know, I'm
rested.
Are you
rested? Okay. So there was time in Nigeria that we were giving this card in church. And pastor said the card is random, just pick a random card from the basket. And whatever you pick, whatever fruit of the spirit you pick, is what you should work on this month. So I picked self-control. I picked goodness. My wife picked self-control. When we looked at each other, we said no.
Let's change the card.
We picked for each other. You need more goodness in your life. I need more self-control, because you know, I could be indisciplined sometimes, not knowing that I have work to do, but then deciding to play a game or something like that. Yeah. So this is getting hot. So we had to switch that. It's you that need goodness. You need a little touch of goodness in this your life, Sister B. Because my wife, if you don't know her that she's a Christian, you think she's wicked.
No, but I'm not wicked.
I'm not saying you're wicked. That's what I'm saying. Like, that generosity, that liberality, open heart, like, open to people, warmth, open to giving, and all those things it was more from me. Yeah. You know, I'm the one that always
picked it up.
Really well. Before I said, I feel like I should give that person money. Random thought,
and those things were just teaching me. Actually.
Yes, and she was learning. The thing is, she never stopped me from blessing people. Yeah. Yes. So
that's what I'll never do. If I would learn to do like
yes, even if she doesn't feel like a good attribute. Even if she doesn't feel like we should give that person that much, she just believes that I know what I'm doing, and gradually she began to change till she began to say, "Let's bless that person." I'm like, "Wow, babe." And then someone comes to visit us, and they're just staying for like 10 minutes. My wife is like, "I want people eat," and she's trying to cook and warm chicken. I'm like, Sister B, you are nice. Like, for me to be shocked, it's not because she's not nice. But she's only very nice to people that are so close to her. If you're not close to me, I'm sorry. Like, she's the person before, but now she's more in tune with how her actions affect others. You know, with my friends, you know, she has been very open, because before there's some of my friends that maybe for some reason, maybe first impression or whatever, she just doesn't feel close enough to, and it just becomes like a blocker. And so difficult to the point that they begin to realize that, does Sister B have an issue with us? You know, and I kept telling her that, babe, you know you don't have an issue with these people, but you're letting your personality affect how you relate, and when they are around you, you go into your shell and they are wondering what's going on. You know, it took the Holy Spirit for her to, because one day I got tired. I said, babe, you know what? Pray about this matter. What the Holy Spirit tells you to do it. I'm done talking. And honestly, that was when I saw changes. And my wife just opened up. You know, when they come around, she's happy. If I say, okay, let's go and visit this person, she's like, fine. I'm like, babe, that's awesome. I said that to say this. Exactly. You can change.
Uncle Body talk. I see the difference in our personality.
But I wanted to blow your trumpet. Are you not happy? Couldn't share anything. I was just trying to talk about you. And then I said,
and I will always bust your bubble.
Yes, and that's your problem. You always bust my bubble. Officially, they use and do you. Anyway, I said that to say this. Like Pastor will always say. I said that to say this. You can change whatever it is that your personality is. You can improve, not like change. Yeah. We're not saying you should change who you are. But yes, you can be tuned. You can change. And even me, my wife knows that I'm changing. You know, if she observes anything that she doesn't like and she tells me, it's a matter of, babe, don't worry, I got you. And if I make the mistake again, babe, it was a mistake, I got you. I promise I'm going to work on it. And that's marriage. You adapt, you know, you're flexible to change and all that. This is a vlog, it's not a sit-down video. So let's go back to the vlog. We're going to a wedding party today.
Yes. So, but before we go there, we're going for rehearsals.
We're going for rehearsals
first, so anyway, guys.
See window. This wind is too much. The wind is so much, guys. It's so cold. And it's the wind that makes it worse. Oh man. This is well, my hands are frozen. Yo. So, interruption of special news.
Okay.
Come on, breaking news. Yes. We interrupt this vlog to bring to you a special summary. Do you know you can go to the abroad and find your family member? Do you know that you can go and find your surname family member from the same Agbole, from the same... I present to you. Come. From the same... I don't want to show your entire house to the public.
From the same town.
So this is Ade Tiriu. It's Ade Tutu, but we call her Ade Tiriu.
Yeah.
And she's Fabi.
Yes,
so this is a new family member.
In fact, we need to go and trace very well. Maybe
yes, we need to trace the genealogy.
She's from the same state.
She's from Ogun State. She's from Abeokuta. I'm like, oh yummy. You know what I mean? Yeah. So nice to meet you. Meet our fans.
Nice to meet you.
I'm patronized. She's a fashionista.
Actually.
Yeah. So I've been getting a lot of fashion advice, fashion inspo from her. So you guys patronize her if you're in Canada. Maybe I'll link your... Should I link your Instagram profile?
If you wanna.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Some boys won't come and take those things. So I'm going to link her Instagram profile in the video. Patronize the Moso.
She's taking.
Brother Paul.
She's taking.
Brother John.
We just say she's taking.
She's already taken.
We not say
it's off the market. Just in case you are thinking about this fine girl, just slide into the DM. DM to lock. If it's no business, don't slide.
Exactly.
Anyway.
Alright.
I just want to show you too.
Nice to meet you guys.
Close the gap.
Best chef.
Prison wanted to wait.
I don't want to start problems. Who handles the groceries? Conflicted.
I don't know.
Who made the first move?
The shake.
You want to catch the camera? Let's start. Really? Yeah.
DJ, give us.
Silence, silence. This is it. No, you God go bless you. You go get plenty money. Plenty children. One house.
How many was very
Very
good?
good. Thank you. But when they kill the intense silence. It's only but as in
Confused.
nice.
Guys, I'm so tired.
We're back home.
Back home.
It was a fun time. We enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah.
And yeah, you guys might be wondering, like, is that a wedding? Yes, that was a wedding reception. But it's like they had their court wedding today, basically.
Yeah.
And yes, they are going to Nigeria to complete the rest of the ceremony.
Yeah.
But we're very happy for you guys, Sheifumi and Prazel, the hashtag Shejeje. You know, we love you guys so much. God bless you, and God bless your marriage.
Amen.
Jesus' name. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the vlog, you know, do well to drop, you know, a like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you in our next video. So till we come your way again.
Keep loving.
And keep believing. We are the Stalwart lovers.